Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check announcements and news on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the letter icon, and here you can find the news and the others, and you can check the Discord milestones, the Atlantis Made event is back, and the different news. And if you want to check one, click to the arrow and you can watch a video and you can read the infos. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.